When your pictures are ready, you'll receive an email with a link and a password to allow you to access your online gallery. Following the link and entering your password will take you to your images. And they will look something like this. As you can see, there is a single image at the top of the screen. Then if you scroll down, you'll see all of your images in thumbnail view. Keep on scrolling down to see everything in your collection. If you are viewing your images on a PC, hover your mouse over one of the thumbnail images to see a little shopping bag and heart symbol pop up in the bottom right-hand corner. Click on the heart symbol to add that image to your favorites list. The first time you do this, a pop-up window will appear to ask for your email address. You only need to put this in once. The image that you favorite now has a heart symbol in the top left-hand corner, so you can see at a glance which you've added. If you click on the thumbnail, you can get a better look at the image in gallery view. From here, you can add it to your favorites list by clicking on the heart at the top right-hand corner of the image. If you're viewing your photos on a phone or tablet, this is how you will need to mark your favorites. If you'd like to see all the images on your favorites list, click on the heart symbol at the top right-hand corner of the images when you are in thumbnail view. That will display your favorites. If you'd like to create another list, for example if family want to make their own lists of favorites, you can do that from here. Once you're happy with the images on your favorites list, you can let me know that you've finished deciding by clicking on the paper aeroplane symbol at the top right of the images. Choose Share with Photographer to send your choices over to me. You'll get a chance to let me have any notes or comments before you send it. I'll get an email to let me know your choices and I can get them online for you to download. Simple as that. To find out more, visit my website at sarahfisherphotography.co.uk.